Morning, everyone. Let's continue to learn the providence of restoration in Adam's family. So we are now in 1.3, the foundation for the Messiah in Adam's family. So the foundation of faith, so FF is foundation of faith, is restored by making an acceptable symbolic offering. And the foundation of substance is establishing by making an acceptance substantial offering. So the purpose for making the symbolic offering of all things, first, the purpose for making the symbolic offering of all things, first, to fulfill an indemnity condition for the restoration of the natural world. Second, to fulfill an indemnity condition for the symbolic restoration of human beings. The substantial offering means substantial offering means fulfilling the indemnity condition for the actual restoration of human beings. So when Cain honors Abel and sets him above himself as an offering, they fulfill the indemnity condition to be restored as good children. So this is also reckoned as the indemnity condition for the restoration of their parents. So when Abel made his sacrifice in a manner acceptable to God, he fulfilled the indemnity condition to restore the foundation of faith and firmly secured his position as the central figure of the substantial offering. However, when Cain murdered Abel, they failed to make the substantial offering. Hence, neither the foundation of substance nor the foundation for the Messiah could be established. So God's providence of restoration in Adam's family came to naught. So some lessons from Adam's family. The failure of God's providence of restoration in Adam's family teaches us something about God's conditional predestination of the accomplishment of his will and his absolute respect for the human portion of responsibility. So, number two, this is number one. Number two is even after Cain killed Abel, God began a new chapter of his providence for raising Seth in Abel's place. So, this shows us that God absolute predestined that his will shall one day be fulfilled, even though his predestination concerning individual beings is conditional. And the third, through the offering of Cain and Abel, God teaches us that the fallen people must constantly seek for an Abel type person by honoring, obeying, and following him. So we can accomplish God's will even without understanding every aspect of it. So, everybody, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.